Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 94 then 98 OVR TOTS player, how to exchange reward TOTS player team of the season in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quests, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the exchange button and jump into the TOTS player X2 or 2 player with 94 until 98 OVR. So you have to fulfill this condition. Let's start from the bottom. 5 player with 85 plus OVR, and then 90 plus OVR player 3 players. Let's search the unused player, and then the last one 3 player with 94 OVR. Tap confirm and let's tap exchange button. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible reward. So good luck, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.